Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am going to discuss probability and games. Basically, we will be discussing spinner problems here. I have already uploaded for dice problems and afterwards I will be uploading playing cards also. Please do subscribe my channel if you like this video and don't forget to press the bell icon for updates of upcoming videos. First question is, a spinner has 4 equal sectors colored yellow, orange, green and red. After spinning the spinner, what is the probability of landing on each color? See here we have 4 possible outcomes and probability for getting yellow will be equal to 1 upon 4. Why? Because yellow is the one favorable outcome and in total we have 4 possible outcomes. So probability will be 1 by 4. Similarly, we can find out the probability for other colors. That is, they will be 1 by 4 only. Second question is, a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which is equally likely to come to rest pointing to one of the numbers 1 to 12 as shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will point to 10, an odd number, a number which is multiple of 3, an even number? Solution is, see we have total 12 numbers here and the probability is favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. In order to get 10, we have only one favorable outcome, so probability of getting a 10 will be equal to 1 upon 12. Next, in order to get an odd number, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 as the odd numbers which are 6 in number, so probability will be 6 upon 12 which is equals to 1 upon 2. Next, in order to get the multiple of 3, we have multiples of 3, 4 in number, 3, 6, 9 and 12 and probability will be equal to 4 upon 12 which is equals to 1 by 3. Next, in order to get probability for even number, again we have 6 even numbers here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So probability will be equal to 6 upon 12 which is 1 upon 2. Last question is very important. A disc on which a player spins an arrow twice. The disc has numbers from 1 to 6. The fraction a by b is formed where a is a number of sector on which the arrow stops on first spinning and b is the number of the sector in which the arrow stops on the second spinning. Basically here the player is spinning the arrow 2 times and we have to frame the fractions and the probability for getting that fraction should be greater than 1. Let me read the question once again. In which b is the number of sector in which the arrow stops on the second spin. On each spin, each sector has equal chance of selection by the arrow. Find the probability that the fraction a by b is greater than 1. See here it is similar to the dice problem. We are making 2 times spinning, so the total outcomes will be 36 in number as the numbers are from 1 to 6. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 and so on. But what will be the favorable outcomes? We have to search those outcomes in which the first number is having value such that the fraction formed by the numbers will have value greater than 1. See, suppose we take first one, 1 1, then 1 upon 1 will be 1 only. It will not give the value greater than 1. Next is 1 2. So the fraction will be 1 upon 2. Again it will not have the value greater than 1. Similarly, we can search out the other options. Let us see for 2 2. 2 upon 2 will be equal to 1. But 2 1, 2 1, that means 2 by 1 will be having the value greater than 1. So we will have favorable outcomes as 2 1, 3 1, 3 2, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, which will be 15 in number. So the probability will become 15 upon 36, that is 5 upon 12.